How to fix error code on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the first method is you have to go to your Windows, simply search for Roblox player, open its file location and right click on it, go for properties and compatibility, and in compatibility mode you have to just check mark it and select your Windows 7, and on the bottom just check mark run as administrator, simply apply it and hit OK. So if it still don't work, you have to simply follow the second method, in which you have to just troubleshoot it, go for try recommended settings, test this program, and if it is still don't work, you have to simply uninstall it and install it again. So I hope this will fix your error code on your Roblox.